started this hike.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm not the only one now. Just go talk to them, yeah.
Here because the two cows here are staring at us, and if we get close enough, they started charging towards us and bucking us.
Stop it!
Valentina.
I'm totally serious. Get back here right now.
I do not.
Right now.
Valentina. Oh my gosh, I've never been so scared of a cow in my entire life. She's still dead. Me too. It's okay. Huh? Recycle. Boy, get in there. Well, it's back to the car now, and Valentina's singing, or she was.